Welcome back to Auto Gear Hub. Today, we dive deep into one of the most exciting SUV entries of the year, the 2026 MG Cyber X4. A 4 futuristic machine has been making waves in the automotive world for its avant-garde design, advanced technology, and rugged yet refined performance. Mengi has taken a giant leap forward, pushing boundaries with the Cyber X, blending luxury and utility into a package that demands attention from every angle. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 MG Cyber X 4x4 SUV is nothing short of jaw-dropping. The bold front fascia is dominated by a high-tech bumper design, sleek matrix LED headlights, and an illuminated MG emblem that glows with personality. Sharp lines slice across the sculpted body panels, giving the vehicle a commanding presence on the road. The dark gray body color gleams with a high-gloss finish, enhanced by blacked-out accents on the grille, mirrors, and alloy wheels. A strong shoulder line flows all the way to the rear, where 3D taillights and an integrated roof spoiler complete the vehicle's aggressive silhouette. Sitting on large 21-inch alloys, the SUV exudes a powerful stance, and the underbody cladding hints at its off-road readiness. But even more impressive is how these rugged design elements are balanced with aerodynamic sophistication, resulting in a vehicle that looks as fast as it is capable. When it comes to performance, the 2026 MG Cyber X doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk. Underneath the hood, MG offers a dual-motor electric powertrain that delivers around 430 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque, giving the SUV a 0 to 60 time of just under 5 seconds. The all-wheel drive system comes standard, allowing for seamless traction across various terrains. Whether you're navigating city streets, carving through mountain roads, or exploring dirt trails, the Cyber X adapts effortlessly with its intelligent terrain response system. Regenerative braking is finely tuned for both efficiency and responsiveness, making city commutes smoother and long drives more engaging. The vehicle rides on an adaptive air suspension setup that adjusts to road conditions in real time, ensuring maximum comfort and control. Meg has paid close attention to the driving dynamics, achieving a fine balance between agility and stability despite the SUV's substantial size. And for those concerned about range, the Cyber X is expected to offer an estimated 370 miles on a single charge, supported by 800V ultra-fast charging capabilities that allow 10 to 80% charging in just under 25 minutes. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted by an environment that feels more like a luxury lounge than a typical SUV interior. The dashboard is minimalist yet high-tech, anchored by a sweeping curved display that merges the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless unit. Touch-sensitive controls line the dashboard and center console, eliminating physical buttons for a futuristic feel. The materials used throughout are premium, from the soft touch leather on the seats and doors to the brushed aluminum and ambient lit trims. The seats themselves are a work of art, with plush cushioning, heating, ventilation, and massage functions for both front and rear passengers. The spaciousness of the cabin is amplified by the panoramic glass roof, which bathes the interior in natural light by day and offers a view of the stars at night. For audiophiles, the 20-speaker immersive sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, turning every drive into a concert-like experience. Advanced features like augmented reality navigation, wireless charging pads, multi-device Bluetooth support, and voice-activated commands make the Cyber X feel like it's been lifted straight from the future. In terms of technology and safety, the Cyber X comes fully loaded. It features MG Pilot 3.0, an advanced driver assistance suite offering adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and even level 2+ semi-autonomous driving. Multiple cameras and radar units ensure a 360-degree awareness, which is not only useful for safety but also makes parking this sizable SUV incredibly easy. Over-the-air updates ensure the software remains current without requiring a visit to the dealership. And thanks to its smart key and phone-as-a-key capabilities, entering and starting the vehicle is seamless and convenient. Now, let's talk price. MG has managed to pack a lot of innovation into the Cyber X while maintaining a competitive edge. The base model is expected to start at around $58,000, offering a generous list of standard features including all-wheel drive, the panoramic roof, and the full infotainment suite. The fully loaded top-tier version with additional luxury and performance options could rise to around $72,000. For what it offers in terms of performance, technology, and sheer visual impact, the 2026 MG Cyber X represents excellent value in the premium electric SUV segment. MG has redefined its brand identity with the Cyber X 444, bringing together futuristic design, potent electric performance, and advanced luxury. It's a vehicle that challenges the status quo, appeals to both adventure seekers and tech-savvy drivers, and positions MG as a serious player in the modern SUV landscape. Whether you're looking for an EV with presence, performance, or pure personality, the 2026 Cyber X checks all the boxes. This isn't just a new chapter for MG, it's like an entirely new book. Thanks for watching Auto Gear Hub, and we'll see you in the next review.